back the truck up. Here we are again, Hawkeye Community College, Cedar Falls, teaming up with FCEF, giving these guys a 10-week program in floor covering. Let's see what we got going on today. Right now the class is working on room layouts. We just finished up with floor prep, and we had quite the class with that. So what they had done prior to putting down their 1/4-inch underlayment was they got to work with self-levelers, different patching materials. They also went ahead and built some slopes, like a ramp, in their modules. And then what we did as part of the installation training, the floor prep, was actually now we got a sloped floor. Now we got to get to a flat and smooth floor. So we had them demo that and go over some best practices for that. We've got our 1/4-inch plywood, like I said, again, down now, and they will be shortly. Everybody's gonna be finished up here. We're gonna have them find the center of the room, and we're gonna get into the introduction of luxury vinyl plank, luxury vinyl tile, work on finding the centers of our room, and go from there. I just want to share this with all of you guys. Look at this. We've got a big old classroom dedicated to floor covering. Air hoses overhead, outlets all over, miter saw station. We got a nice DeWalt saw, nice vacuum, plenty of storage over here. Check this out. Tool closet. I don't even have a tool closet in my shop. This is awesome. So I had the class find the center of their room, and then now what I'm having them do is just dry lay out from the center of the room to the edge of one, or up to one of the walls. And this is just to show them the importance of balancing a room layout. So again, class is just getting started. Next week they start their LVP, LVT, followed by sheet vinyl, followed by carpet, followed by hardwood, ceramic, and then boom, graduation. So stay tuned, stay with us. This is gonna get great. Let's go.